Alright, so the hot sauce came in. It's time to try it out.
Alright, should I shake this? Probably, right? How much do you think we should put on?
Do you think it's bad for you?
Yeah, did
Did
you see the
see-
note?
Oh yeah.
See the note?
Lucas laced it with anthrax.
Stop
I
looking.
think the Rex are watching. You guys still watching?
Alright, oh shit. Let's see.
I'm gonna smell it.
I'm gonna smell it. Alright.
What's up, guys? Spicy Lucas
Oh
here.
shit, I spilled some on my fan. My hand.
Oh!
You idiot, you just tried it. That's spicy, bro.
Spicy Lucas here.
I
Back
smell
to
from
trying
here. I
another.
smell from here. Yeah, me too. Oh my god.
You smell
Oh,
it?
it just smells like salsa.
It just smells like, yeah, that's actually not that bad.
It
I'm
has
gonna
stock
try-
down
I'm
there.
gonna try
It
this.
probably sucks.
Oh, we have queso too.
Oh!
Oh, you see that?
Lucas, that's a fat fucking
Why don't you get
Thanks
chicken
a lot.
with it,
Thanks for
bro?
the handoff here. The Rex should have made queso. Next time, make queso.
Alright, ready? I'm gonna try it. It's kind of a lot, actually.
Yeah, it is a lot.
You sure?
Yeah.
Stop, chill! Oh.
Yo, we don't have milk or water or anything.
Yeah, 25. It looks good.
Is it?
Yeah, it's actually not that bad. You know it's hot sauce.
Oh my god.
I literally put so little on it. Can you see that, Rex? That's all your hot sauce I'm gonna eat.
It's good. I actually like it.
Oh yeah, that's actually pretty good. Good job on this one, guys. Make queso next, though. Yeah, it was actually hella good.
Yeah, it's actually not that bad. Well, we're gonna wake up tomorrow like.
Food
Yeah, we're gonna be
Yeah,
dead.
guys, I'm gonna be the only one alive. I'm sorry.
Am I gonna have to finish this? What do you mean? It's good. You want to try some?
It is not regulated.
No, try some. Actually, try some. It's not that bad. Mom, it's not that bad. There, it's a little bit.
They DM'd Lucas afterwards and said it was laced with ketamine.
No, no. Are you?
No, it's not. Make sure to stream freaking.
No!
Make sure to stream freaking out.
You want some? You want-